Hello, everyone. Planning your data science or analytics career? Are you hiring data talent for your team? Are you embarking or are you in the midst of a digital transformation effort? Are you finishing your analytics degree or a recent graduate? Are you a data or technology enthusiast? This is a quick announcement to invite you to our annual Data Science and Analytics Salary webinar on June 23rd. You can find the registration link and learn more about the presentation in the description. Our 2021 Data Science and Analytics Salary Report will be coming out later this month, and we'll be hosting a live webinar to go over the data, share our hiring market observations on how things have shifted recently, and answer your questions about salaries, current market, and other developing trends we've been seeing. Salaries have always been a hot topic, but especially after the past year, everyone is eager to get the latest data on how data science and analytics salaries have been impacted as the economic restart continues to accelerate. So make sure to register using the link in the description if you want first access to this year's data. And feel free to submit your questions for us using the field on the registration page. The recording will be posted here after the live event, but you can register for the webinar to get a link to download the free salary report as soon as it's available. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at the webinar.